What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a particularly exciting unboxing to do with you guys. Why? Because I know, this is unorthodox for me, I actually know what's in this box. And I think it's going to surprise a lot of people who've been watching my content lately, the top 10 most overrated knives. I think this might come as a little bit of a shock. Before we get started here, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea for your own unboxing adventures or adventures of any type, I do have an Amazon affiliate link for this knife right down in the description. Also useful stuff down there like my WIA driver set and my driver that I use and my calipers and all that stuff. So if you'd like to, you can. If not, that's completely fine too. Anyways, let's get into this box. The suspense is killing me. I try to create some suspense for you guys to make it entertaining. Do you feel suspensed? Is that the right way to say that? Probably not. Okay, what do we have? We have peanuts. Get out of here. Does that drive you guys crazy that I'm just making a mess? What is this? It is a Benchmade. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? What's happening? Let me get through this Fort Knox packaging, and I promise you, I will be revealing it. Good Lord. Listen, I appreciate the fact that you want to keep my box from being damaged on the way here. A little bit ridiculous. What? What? I thought you said you didn't like the Bug Out Complex. Well, I don't. I think the Bug Out is overrated. If you guys watched that video. If you haven't watched that video, feel free. I'm sure there's one of those little things that pops up here that's like, go watch this video. Right in the middle of while you're watching something else. Yeah, I'm the one who controls that, if you're wondering. I'm the one who puts those up there. So why? Why did you buy that if you don't like it or you think it's overrated? Well, you're all gonna just have to wait to find out. This is exactly what I expected. Centered, good fit and finish. It's one of Benchmade's newer models, so it's generally going to be the case. Why the blue one? I don't know. You're just going to have to wait and see. I've got plans. I will reveal them. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you found it somewhat entertaining. I'm sure I'll get a whole bunch of dislikes for being cryptic, but whatever. If you enjoyed it in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this. Go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.